Good morning students. In our previous class we have started the chapter subtraction. Now come to your page number 48. Today we will learn some easy subtraction methods. So our first method is Now we can subtract two numbers mentally. For this we add or subtract a number to or from the given numbers and convert them into numbers ending with 0. So suppose you have to subtract 299 from 345. Okay. So here 345 is our bigger number and here we have 3 digits. So take 100, tens and ones place. Now put this number first, which is 345 and 299 here. Now add 1 with 299 because if you are adding 1 plus with 299, we will get 300, right? So more zeros. In 300 there are 2 zeros and in 299 we don't have any zero. That's why we are adding plus 1 to get 300, and because in 300 there are more zeros than 299. Now if you are adding plus 1 with the smaller number, you also have to add this plus 1 with the bigger number. So again add plus 1 with 345. It will give us 346. This is the 100 place, this is the tens place and this is ones place. Now subtract. Now look at here. This is easy to subtract. Always this is easy to subtract zeros from any number because it will give us the number itself. That's why here if we subtract 0 from 6, we will get 6. Again for the tens column, here subtract 0 from 4, it will give us 4, and subtract 3 minus 3, that means 0. No need to write. Now, so our answer is 46. Now come to your exercise 3.4, which is your page number 50. So take the first example, 100 place, tens place, ones place. Here the bigger number is 456 and the smaller number is 132. Now look at this number, this is 132. So subtract 2 from 132. It will give us 130. Here we get 1 0. That's why we are subtracting 2 from 132. Again, now again subtract 2 from the bigger number also. Because we have subtracted 2 from the smaller number, that's why we have to subtract the same number, which is 2, from the bigger number. So subtract minus 2 from 456, which is 454. This is 100 place, tens place and ones place. Now subtract 4, 3 minus 5, which is 3, 4, 5. So 2. And here subtract 1 from 4, which is 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 324. Now check one thing. Now subtract 132 from 456. Subtract here 2 from 6, which is 4, because after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4. Now subtract 3 from 5, which is 2, and subtract 1 from 3, that means 3. Here also 324. These two results are equal. Next, take another example. Suppose example C. Here we have up to thousands place. 1000, 100, tens, ones. 8000, our bigger number is 8462, and the smaller number is 7617. Now subtract, don't subtract, add 3. With 17 add 3, we will get 20, right? So more zeros than 7617. So if we add 3 with 7617, we will get 7617 plus 3, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20. Now add the same digit with the bigger number. It will also give 8462 plus 3, that means 65. This is the thousands place, this is 100 place, tens place, and this is ones place. Now subtract these two number. So here subtract 0 from 5, that means 5 itself. Again subtract 2 from 6, which is 4. Next subtract 6 from 4, which is not possible because 6 is more than 4. So again assume 4 as 14. That means just add 10 with 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now subtract 6 from 14. Now it is possible because 14 is more than 6. So now subtract 6 from 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here 8. Now subtract this 1 with this digit 8, which is 7. Subtract 1, this extra 1 from 8, that means 7. Now subtract 7 from 7, that means 0. So our answer is 845. Next, come to your question number 2, which is subtract the following by using the shortcut method 1. Shortcut method means this method. Now question number 2. Take first example, which is A. Subtract the following using shortcut method 1. So here we have the bigger number 534 minus 121. Now our bigger number has 3 digits. So write here 100, tens and ones place. Now put the bigger number here first, 534, and next 121. Now if we subtract 1 from 121, we will get 120. That means more zeros than 121. So it will give us 120. Now subtract the same digit from the bigger number, which is 534. It will give us 533. Subtract 1 from 534. That means 533. This is 100 place, tens place, and this is ones place. Now subtract. So 0, we will get 3. Next 3 is more than 2. So subtract 2 from 3. It will give us 1. and then subtract 1 from 5, that means 4. So our answer is 413. Our next question, question number 3. Here we have to subtract each of the following by writing in expand form. So take the first example. Here we have to subtract 75 from, we have to subtract 25 from 75. So first write 25. 25 is a smaller number, right? So first expand this 25 like 20 plus 5. Now subtract each of this number from 75. So here 75 is our bigger number and the number of digit is 2. So we have to take tens place and ones place. Now put here 75 first. Now first subtract 20 from 75. This is 5 and 2 to 7, this is 55. Next, now next step, subtract 5 from 75. Again put 75 first. Next in 5 there are only one digit, so put it here in ones place. Now subtract. So 5 minus 5, 0, and here 7, because there is nothing means we have 0 here. So subtract 0 from 7, which is 7 itself. Now this number 55 and this number 70. Next subtract this 5 from 55. This is tens place, this is ones place, and subtract 5 from this 55, which is 50. So our answer is, next consider question number B. Here we have to subtract 33 from 45. Now this is a smaller number. So expand 33 as 30 plus 3. Because in 30 here we have more zeros than 33. Now subtract 30 from 45. This is tens place, this is ones place. Now subtract 30 from 5. So here we will get 5 and subtract 3 from 4, which is 1. Now take this number as the bigger number. So this is tens place, this is ones place. Now put this number 15 here. Now subtract this second number from 15. So 3 minus 5, 2, and here 1, because here we have 0. So our answer is 12. That means if we subtract 33 from 45, we will get 12 as our answer. Next, question number 4. Subtract each of the following by counting on. So what is the meaning of counting on? Suppose you have to subtract 37 from 84. Take this smaller number 37. So after 37, the first 0 digit is 40. Now take 40. Our next tens digit is 50. Now take 50 and after 50 our next tens digit is 60. Next our question number 4. Number A. Subtract 37 from 84 by counting on. Now After 37, the first 10th digit is 40 and the difference between 37 and 40 is 3. Now take this 40 here. After 40, the first 10th digit is 50. So count 50 and the difference between the 40 and 50 is 10. Next after 50, next 10th digit is 60 and also the difference is 10. After 60, we will get 70 and the difference is same, 10. Now, we need 84. So, after 70, take 80 and the difference is 10. Now, after 80, we need 84. So, don't take the second 10th digit which is 90. Take here 84 because our bigger number is 84. That's why we are taking after 80, 84, not 90. And the difference between 80 and 84 is 4. Now add all these differences, which is 3, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 4. Now add this first 3 with 3 add these 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last one 4. Add this 4. So our result is 10, 40, 43 and 43. After 43, 4. Now add these 4 tens with 3 and 4. So 3 and 4, 7 plus 4 tens means 40. So our result is 47. That means the difference between 84 and 37 is 47. Take next example, next problem. See, here we have to subtract 25 from 72. 25 is a smaller number as 72 is a bigger number. So take first 25. After 25, the 10th digit is 30 and the difference between 25 and 30 is 5. Now take 30. Next 10th digit is 40. The difference is 10. Next from 40, we will take 50 and the difference is also 10. Next after 50, take 60 and the difference is also 10. After 60, we will take 70 and the difference is also 10. Now take this 70 and we need 72. So not 80. Take here 72. And the difference between 70 and 72 is what? 2. Now add all these differences. Here we have 1, 5. Next 3, 4 tens. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the last one which is 2. So add 2. Next 2, 5 plus 2. 7 plus 4 tens which is again 40 and 40 plus 7 is 47. So this is our difference between 72 and 25. Next we have to check the subtraction by addition. That means suppose you have 148 minus 256. Subtract plus 5 to 4. Now this is a negative, this sign is negative, that means we have to subtract 256 from the addition of 148 and 524. So first add these two numbers. This is 100 place, tens place, ones place. Take here 148 and here take 524. Now just add first. 8 4s are 12. We have 1 here. Now add this one here. 5 plus 2 7 and 5 1 6. Now subtract 256 from 672. Again take 100 place, tens place and ones place, because here we have 3 digits. Now take this addition 672 first, and from 672 subtract 256. Now subtract. Here 2 is more than 6. So again we have to assume 2 as 12. Now subtract 6 from 12, which is 6. Again subtract this extra 1 from 7. We will get 6. Now subtract 5 from 6, which is again not possible because 6 is more than 5. Again assume 6 as 16. Now subtract 5 from 16, which is after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now subtract this 1 from 10th digit, which is 7. So we will get 6. Now 6 is more than 5. So we can subtract 5 from 6, right? So subtract 5 from 6. We will get 1. Now 6 is more than 2. So just subtract 2 from 6. We will get 4. So our answer is 416. So our answer is 416. Now when two numbers are added, we get a sum, right? But the difference between the sum and any of the two numbers is the other number. What does it mean? It means suppose you have 5 and plus 2. You have to add 5 with 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7, right? Now this is our result. Now take 7 and subtract 5 from 7. We will get 2, the other number. Again take 7 and subtract 2 from 7. We will get 5, which means the other number. That means if we add two numbers, we will get the sum. But if we subtract from the sum one number, we will get the other number. Here we have subtracted 5 from 7, we will get 2. And here we have subtracted 2 from 7 and we get here 5. Now come to your exercise 3.5. Question number 1. Take A. 120, we have to add 128 with 456. Now read the question carefully. For each of the following addition facts, write two subtraction facts. That means first add these two numbers, 128 plus 456. First add these two numbers. Here we have 3 digits for the bigger number. So take here up to 100 place. Now put the first number and next the second number. Then add 6 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 4, 5, 6. So after 8, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. So write here 5. Take this one here and add with 5. We will get 6. Next add 2 with 6. We will get 8. And next add 1 with 4, which is 5. So this is our sum of these two numbers. Now what are the... Okay. Take this bigger number first and next take the smaller number. Add. Now 6 plus 8, after 8, count after 8 up to 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So take here 4 and add this one with 5. We will get 6. Now add this 6 with 2, which is 8, and then add 4 with 1. We will get 5. So this is our sum of these two numbers. Next we have to write two subtraction facts. First, take this sum 584. 584. Now subtract one of these numbers. First take the smaller number and subtract. 8 is more than 4. So take here 14. Now subtract 8 from 14. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. Next take this one here and subtract from 8. We will get 7. Now subtract 2 from 7, which is 5. And here 5 is more than 1. So subtract 1 from 5, we will get 4. So the difference between 584 and 128 is another number 456. So this is fact 1. And again take this sum here 584 and subtract the other number, which is 456. Now 7 is more than 5. So subtract 5 from 7, which is 2. And here 4 is less than 5. So subtract 4 from 5, which is 1. So look at here, we will get 128. So 128 is nothing but our another number. So these two facts are the two subtraction facts. Next take another problem, number D. 2531 plus 3448 is equals to 5979. That means the sum of 2531 and the sum of 3448 is 5979. Now we have to write two subtraction facts. So first one, take this sum here. Here we have 4 digits. So take up to thousands place. 1000, then 100, then 10 and then ones. Now put this number first, 5979. Now take one of these two numbers. So take the first one, which is 2531 and subtract these two numbers. So 1 is less than 9, so you can subtract 1 from 9, which is 8. Again 7 is more than 3, so subtract 3 from 7, which is 4. Next 5 is less than 9, so subtract 5 from 9, which is again 4. And now subtract 2 from 5, which is 3. Look at here, we will get 3448, which is nothing but the other number. And second fact, again take this sum. Again take this sum 5979 and subtract the another number, which is 3448. Now subtract. 8 is less than 9. Subtract 8 from 9, which is 1. Next, 4 is less than 7. Again subtract 4 from 7, which is 3. Next, again 4. Subtract 4 from 9, which is 5. And next, subtract 3 from 5, which is 2. So, look at this number. This is 2531. The first number, 2531. So, these two facts are the two subtraction facts of this addition. Now, come to your question number 2. Here, we have to subtract each of the following and check the answers by addition. So, take first problem, which is number A, 100 place, tens place and ones place. 546 and 324. Now, first subtract these two numbers. Now, subtract 4 from 6, which is 2. Again 2 from 4, 2. And 3 from 5, which is again 2. Now, add this sum. Add this sum 222 with this number 324. Again take 100 place, tens place, ones place. First, take this number, take this sum 222 first and here put this number 324. Now add 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Now look at this number 546, which is our first number 546. That means if we subtract two numbers, then if we add with this difference, with here we have subtracted two numbers 546 and 324, we get here 222. Now this is the difference, that means this is the difference of these two numbers, right? Now take this difference and add 301 number, 324, which is a smaller number. Now add this number, we will get the bigger one, which is 546. Take another problem, problem number C. Here we have digits up to thousands place. So take 1000, 100, tens, ones. Here first subtract these two numbers. So this one is a bigger number, which is 5850. 850. Now subtract 3215 from this number. So first subtract. Now 5 is more than 0. So assume here 0 as 10. Now subtract 5 from 10, which is 5. Now take this one here and subtract from 5. 4. Now 4 is bigger than 1, right? So subtract 1 from 4, which is 3. Next, subtract 2 from 8. 2 is smaller than 8. So here we will get 6. And next subtract 3 from 5, which is 2. Now this is the difference between these two numbers. Now take this difference here. Again up to thousands place, thousand, hundred, tens, ones. Now take this number here. 2635. Now add with 3215, which is our nothing but the smaller number. 215. Now add these two numbers. 5 plus 5, 10. Take this one. Take this one here. 5 plus 5, 10. Take this one here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Next, 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus 2 is 5. 5850, which is nothing but our bigger number. 5850. Mark question number 1, B and C as your homeworks, and from question number 2, B, D, E and F as your homeworks. Now come to exercise 3.6. Here we have to estimate the difference and take the appropriate option in each of the following. Take question number 1. Here we have to calculate the difference between these two numbers, and we have to take these two options, which is right. So first option is less than 400 and second option is more than 400. So first calculate these two, calculate the difference between these two numbers. So first question number 1. 100 place, tens place, ones place. Our bigger number is 748 and the smaller number is 360. Now subtract. 0, 8. 0 we will get 8 because 0 is smaller than 8. Next, 6 is more than 4. So assume here 4 as 14. Now subtract from 6. So we will get again 8 because after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8. Now take this one here and subtract from this hundreds place digit, which is 7. So we will get 6. Next subtract 3 from 6, which is 3. Now 388. We know that 388 is smaller than, that means less than 400. So here if we have two options, like the first one is less than 400 and here more than 400. Now if we add 2 with 388, we will get 400, right? That means 388 is less than 400. So this is a right option. Next, take question number 5. Here we have up to thousands place, and first we have to calculate the difference between these two numbers. So take up to thousands place. Put the bigger number first, which is 7665. Next put the smaller number, which is 5148. Now subtract these two numbers. Now 8 is more than 5. So assume 5 as 15. Now subtract 8 from 15. So count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7. Now take this one here and subtract from 6. We will get 5. Now 5 is more than 4 and the difference is 1. Next, 1 is smaller than 6. So subtract 1 from 6, which is 5. Next, subtract 5 from 7. So after 5, 6, 7, which is 2. Now 2517. Our options are less than 3000 and more than 3000. Right? So write here these two options. First one is less than 3000 and the second option is more than 3000. Here our difference is 2000. That means clearly 2000 is less than 3000. So take this one because this is the right option. From this exercise 3.6, mark question number 3 and 4 as your homeworks. Now come to your exercise 3.7. From this exercise 3.6, mark question number 3 and 4 as your homeworks. Now come to your exercise 3.7. Now come to your exercise 3.7. Here we have to solve word problems. Take question number 1. Read this question carefully. Abhay bought 608 eggs and sold 485 of them. Then how many eggs are left with Abhay? That means Abhay had 608 eggs. Right? Now he sold 485 of them. That means 485 taken away from 608. Here 608 is our bigger number and 485 is a smaller number. That means you have to subtract 485 from 608. So take up to 100's place because here we have 3 digits. 608 subtract 485. 485. Now 5 is less than 8, so here we will get 3 and here 0 is less than 8, so assume 0 as 10. Now subtract 8 from 10, which is 2. Take this one here and subtract from 6, which is 5. Now subtract 4 from 5, which is 1. That means 128 eggs are left with Abhay because he sold 485 from 608. That means 485 is taken away from 608. So now Abhay left 123 eggs. So our answer is, here you have to, because this is a word problem, right? So here we have to write this answer in words. Like the question is, how many eggs are left with Abhay? So our answer is 123 eggs. That means 123 eggs are left with Abhay. Now take next problem. Question number 4. Mother bought 432 bananas. She distributed 130 bananas among needy people. So first take this first part. Mother bought 432 bananas. Now she distributed 130 bananas among needy people. That means we have to subtract 130 from 432 because 130 bananas she already distributed among needy people. So 432 is our bigger number. So take here up to 100's place. Put this bigger number first, then subtract 130 from 432. So here we will get 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, 1 minus 4, 3. So now mother have 302 bananas. Now come to your next part. Mother bought 216 more bananas. That means we have to add 216 bananas with 302 bananas. That means we have to add these two numbers. Two plus 6 is 8, 1 plus 0, 1 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So now how many bananas are left now? So now mother has 518 bananas. Now come to your question number 6. Here, by how much is 5240 greater than 3565? Here 5240 is our bigger number and 3565 is a smaller number. So we have to find how much is 5240 is greater than the smaller number 3565. That means we have to find the difference between these two numbers. So take the first bigger number first, which is 5000. So take up to thousands place. 5240. And next our smaller number 3565. Now find the difference between them. That means we have to subtract these two numbers. So again assume here 10 in place of 0. So 5 minus 10 is 5. Take this 1 here, subtract from 4 which is 3. Now subtract 6 from 3 which is not possible. So take here 13, extra 1. Now subtract 6 from 13 which is 7. Take this 1 here and subtract from 2 which is 1. Now again 5 is more than 1. So again take here extra 1. Now subtract 5 from 11 which is 6. Again take this extra 1 here and subtract from 5. That means 4. Now subtract 3 from 4. 1. So our answer is 1675. That means 5240 is greater from 3565 by this number 1675. That means if we add this number with the smaller number, we will get this number, this bigger number 5240. If we add these two numbers, that means if we add the smaller number with the difference between these two numbers, we will get the bigger number. Now mark question number 2, 3 and 7 from exercise 3.7 as your homeworks. Thank you students.